light was able to make chemicals in us that weren't there before. When I saw this, I immediately realized that everything in medicine was completely ass backwards. And nobody has told you why. I'm telling you why right now. Because you're blue light toxic. Blue light makes you fat. What I tell you my day job was? I'm a neurosurgeon, right? The alpha wave in the human brain is 7.83 hertz, exactly the same. You have this direct loop that goes to the pineal gland, but the energy comes in here. This energy has to be balanced, blue and red.
Hello, welcome back. Today we'll hear an absolutely shocking revelation from a brain surgeon. If you're curious about this, stay tuned to uncover this mind-blowing secret. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our daily health videos. Now let's dive right into the main content.
What does this first do? It turns your pituitary gland on. That's why I stopped operating at 7 a.m. You need to question everything. You're looking at a guy speaking to you right now who doesn't believe pretty much anything he learned in medical school can be taken with any truth. The answers are right in front of us, folks. Even though the answers are right in front of us, if your dopamine level is low, you will not perceive the truth right in front of your face. Energy and mass are exactly the same thing. The only thing that's different is the environment that each side of the equation is in. Now, the pupil is a perfect black box radiator. What does that mean? Because we're doing a little physics here. It means that light can go in and come back. How did I know immediately that UV light got through? I challenge anybody to go to batteries and bulbs, buy a UVA flashlight, LED, put it in anybody's retina. You know what you'll see? You'll see fluorescence come right back. You don't need anything else. So every time the ophthalmologist, like Mike.
Recent studies have revealed a profound connection between aromatic amino acids, sunlight, and fundamental biological processes. Amino acids such as tryptophan, tyrosine, phenylalanine, and histidine, known for their crucial roles in various physiological functions, all contain a benzene ring, a molecular structure that strongly absorbs ultraviolet and UV light. The benzene ring, with its distinctive structure, acts as a photon trap, meaning it can absorb photons of light within the UV spectrum from 250 to 380 nanometers. This light absorption capability is also why UV light is invisible to the naked eye. A notable study by Gell and Perard in 2000, referenced by Gerald Pollack in his 2014 book, uncovered a fascinating phenomenon involving the interaction of sunlight with water. When exposed to sunlight, water molecules self-organize into special structures called exclusion zones, E's and N, and form coherent domains. These domains can release large quantities of free electrons, which act as powerful catalysts for biochemical reactions in the body. The high concentration of aromatic amino acids in the eye, particularly within photoreceptive proteins, suggests an essential biological function related to light absorption and energy conversion. The benzene rings in these amino acids may serve as light antennas, capturing light to trigger biochemical reactions necessary for vision and other ocular functions. This hypothesis opens a new avenue for research into the role of light in regulating biological processes at the molecular level. Gaining a deeper understanding of the mechanisms of interaction between light, water, and biological molecules could lead to innovative treatment methods for various diseases.
Where is this connection? Well, for those of you who don't know, the Schumann resonance comes from the interaction of sunlight on the ionosphere of the Earth.
The Schumann resonance, Earth's natural frequency, aligns perfectly with the alpha wave frequency in the human brain, creating a profound synchronization between humans and the planet. Alpha waves associated with states of relaxation and focus can be disrupted by electromagnetic radiation, EMF, from electronic devices. EMFs reduce cellular energy production, cause cellular dehydration, and impact overall health. Understanding this connection helps us appreciate the importance of living in harmony with nature and minimizing EMF exposure to protect our well-being. Cooking food in a microwave causes it to lose water and nutrients, mirroring how prolonged exposure to artificial light dehydrates the body. Blue light from electronic devices, especially fluorescent lighting, can harm the eyes and tissues. Artificial lenses used in cataract surgeries often filter up to 50% of blue light, emphasizing the need to protect our eyes from its effects. The balance between blue and infrared light and sunlight is crucial, so excessive exposure to artificial blue light may lead to various health issues.
What you need to know, and this goes back to physics, in case you don't, blue light bends the most by gravitational lensing. It turns out this is important in the eye because when blue light comes through, it falls in front of the retina. That's the reason why when you use a computer screen or you use these horrible lights up here, you get visual obscuration. In other words, your vision gets worse. What does that cause? It causes you elongation of your eyeball. When your eyeball gets longer, you get myopia.
Blue light, particularly from electronic devices, causes various eye problems, such as macular degeneration and retinal detachment. The body reacts by clouding the lens to protect the retina, but this response leads to cataracts. Melanopsin, a protein in the eye, plays a crucial role in regulating the biological clock and protecting the retina. However, excessive exposure to blue light can overwhelm melanopsin, leading to retinal damage. Overstimulation of the central retinal pathway by blue light can also affect other bodily functions, including pituitary gland activity. To protect your eyes, it is essential to limit blue light exposure, especially at night, and use blue light blocking glasses.
Everything that loses energy in the universe gets bigger. What did Hallwich tell us? Hallwich showed that when light slows, the pituitary gets bigger. You know why it's getting bigger? Because light is getting turned into chemicals that you call hormones that go in to the nuclear DNA to change it. Guess what that means? That means light is capable of altering DNA. It also means that light is capable of potentially reversing my previous problem. Meaning that when you're obese, maybe your main problem is you're not getting enough sunlight, and it has nothing to do with food. How's that for a shocker? That's what Fritz Hollwich taught me.
DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid, is highly concentrated in the retina and plays a critical role in transmitting light signals. As light passes through the eye, DHA circulates continuously through two pathways, short and long, generating a bioelectric current that helps synchronize the body's biological clock. Blue light, particularly significant in this process, provides energy to convert vitamin A into its active forms, enabling photoreceptor cells in the eye to detect light. However, excessive exposure to blue light can deplete DHA and vitamin A levels, harming the eyes and disrupting the biological clock. Next, let's explore the interaction between light and the mechanisms of the eye.
There's another opsin that you may not know about. It's called neuropsin. It's on the cornea of the eye and it's on your skin. It's a UVA light detector. Melatonin is considered the hormone of darkness. Remember those photon traps I told you about? Well, guess what? That neuropsin tells the brain that UVA light is present and it can begin to make melatonin from sunlight. Now, what are all the effects? Here's the quantum paradox. It's a nighttime hormone because that's what the functional medicine doctors in my profession have told you. And that's true because that's when it's active, but it only activates when light is not present, but it's remade first in the eye and then generalizes all along the brain.
Light has a direct impact on our health. Red light stimulates energy production in cells, while UVA light inhibits this process. The balance between blue and red light is crucial for hormone production and the regulation of the biological clock. However, excessive exposure to UVA light reduces hormone production and can lead to various health issues. In other words, the light we are exposed to daily profoundly affects our energy, health, and mood. Light plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. The balance between different types of light, particularly blue-red and UVA, is key to regulating many physiological processes in the body. Understanding how light influences these mechanisms enables us to implement effective preventive and therapeutic measures to protect our eyes and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thank you for watching.